Finding the best camping kettle for gas stove can turn a cold campsite into a calm, cozy morning. The best camping kettle for gas stove heats fast, sits steady on small burners, and pours without spills. I've tested many on compact propane stoves common across US campsites, and small design details make a big difference. After years of camping and daily testing gear like this, I know what actually works outdoors. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Chefbar Coffee Kettle for Stovetop Premium. The Chefbar Coffee Kettle for Stovetop Premium is my go-to when I want slow, steady pours. I use it most mornings for pour-over coffee. The Gooseneck control gives great flow control, so blooms feel easy and calm. The heat-safe handle stays comfortable even when water boils fast. The size feels right for 1 or 2 cups. It heats quickly on a gas stove. Cleanup is simple too. The main limit is capacity. At 28 ounces, refills are common for guests. Still, for coffee lovers who value control, it's a solid daily kettle. Number 4. GIPFEL International Whistling Tea Kettle. The GIPFEL International Whistling Tea Kettle feels solid and well-made in daily use. I like how fast it heats on gas, electric, and induction stoves. The induction base spreads heat evenly and saves time. The ergo grip handle makes pouring smooth and controlled. The whistle is loud enough to hear from another room. It looks clean and classic on the stove. One thing to note is the handle gets hot, so a pot holder helps. Still, for families who boil water often, it feels reliable, safe, and built to last. Number 3. Granite Ware Coffee Boiler 12-Cup Speckled Black. The Granite Ware Coffee Boiler 12-Cup Speckled Black is made for group mornings outdoors. I like how fast it heats water on a gas stove or open fire. The fast heat absorb design saves time when everyone wants coffee now. The even heat core helps water boil smoothly without hot spots. The large 12-cup size works great for camping, cabins, or backyard fires. It does not change the taste, which really matters to me. Cleaning is easy too. The main downside is the size. It is not ideal for backpacking. Still, for family camping or group trips, it's reliable and very practical. Number 2. Bulin Camping Kettle 1.6-liter Large Portable Tea Kettle. The Bulin Camping Kettle 1.6-liter Large Portable Tea Kettle feels like a smart choice for simple outdoor trips. It heats water fast on a gas stove or open fire. I like how light it feels in my pack after a long hike. The anti-scald handle feels safe when pouring hot water. The 1.6-liter size is great for 1 or 2 people. It makes coffee easy at sunrise. The carry bag helps with packing. The aluminum body can dent if abused. Still, for the price, it's practical, easy to use, and very travel-friendly. Number 1. Primula Stewart Whistling Stovetop Tea Kettle. The Primula Stewart Whistling Stovetop Tea Kettle feels like a no-fuss classic you can trust every day. It heats water fast, which I notice right away on busy mornings. The loud steam whistle is hard to miss and saves me from forgetting the stove. I also like the cool touch handle, which feels safe and steady even when the kettle is full. The folding handle makes storage easy in small kitchens or RV cabinets. Pouring feels smooth with no dripping mess. Cleaning is simple thanks to the wide opening. The stainless steel body feels solid for the price. The main downside is the thin metal, which can feel light compared to premium kettles. Still, for the cost, it works well, lasts long, and fits everyday tea or coffee routines perfectly. Final verdict. If you want a kettle that's simple, reliable, and great for everyday boiling, I personally recommend the Primula Stewart Whistling Stovetop Tea Kettle as the best overall product. It heats water fast, whistles clearly when ready, and the cool touch folding handle makes pouring safe and easy. It fits well in kitchens and on stoves, and it feels solid without costing much. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly camping option, the Bulin Camping Kettle 1.6-liter Large Portable Tea Kettle is a smart choice. Its open fire design and generous capacity make it ideal for outdoor trips. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the camping kettle that fits your style and need best.